Active voice adventures. When to use active voice in English. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another episode of our English language learning series. Today, we're delving into a fascinating part of English grammar, the active voice. This video focuses on when to use the active voice in English, a critical element in mastering sentence construction. So, let's begin our active voice adventure. Active voice is a type of sentence or clause in which the subject performs or acts the action of the verb. This differs from the passive voice, where the subject is the recipient of the action. In active voice, the structure of the sentence is typically subject plus verb plus object. For example, James reads the book. Here, James is the subject, reads is the verb, and the book is the object. The focus is on James and his action. Now, let's move on to understanding when to use active voice. 1. Emphasis on the subject. Use active voice when you want to highlight the subject or the doer of the action. The subject is typically what the sentence is about, and in the active voice, the subject is doing the action. Example: Mary baked a cake. 2. Clarity. Active voice is often used to make statements more direct and precise. It allows you to clearly convey who is doing what. Example: John threw the ball. 3. Conciseness. Active voice sentences are usually shorter and more to the point than passive voice sentences, helping to keep your language clear and concise. Example: I wrote the report, active, versus the report was written by me, passive. Different styles of writing call for different uses of active and passive voice. 1. Informal writing and speech. Active voice is commonly used in informal writing and speech because it creates a conversational tone that is more engaging for the reader or listener. 2. Journalism and storytelling. Active voice is also favored in journalism and storytelling, where it's important to have strong, clear sentences that draw in readers. Active voice can make a story or news item more vivid and interesting. And that's a wrap on when to use active voice in English. Remember, using active voice can make your sentences more direct, clear, and concise. It's your tool for emphasis on the subject and for creating engaging content. We hope this video was useful in your journey towards mastering English. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll dive into the exciting world of the passive voice. Until then, keep practicing and happy learning.